guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution manuals. Today we will learn what happens if not appears the stickers when you send a sticker on WhatsApp chat. So if you don't see the stickers, the WhatsApp not upload the stickers, maybe because for two reasons. Maybe you don't have the ultimate upload of the ultimate upload of WhatsApp. You need to upload the application for that. That problem is over, and you can check that in the Play Store. You need to go to Play Store, and here in the Play Store you need to find WhatsApp, and you need to put WhatsApp here. And after that, you need to verify if in that button were set open and don't set upload. So if set upload, you pick in that button, and you need to wait like maybe you will wait like a few minutes, and after that you can use and you can see the stickers. And the second option is go to the settings, and here in the option of app management, you need to go to app list. So in this part, you need to search WhatsApp. You need to prepare your WhatsApp. And after that, the only thing you need to do is go to the storage and cache and pick here in the spot button in the down part of the page where it said clear cache. You need to clear the memory of the cache memory for maybe you clean the app and the stickers show again. So this is the two options, the two solutions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.